I'm Jagir. Today we're going to talk about risk management. Yes, everyone focuses on make money, gains, fund your retirement. I even use that term, fund your retirement. But you know what the pros do? The best of the best? They focus on not losing money. And that maximizes your probability of making money. It's a bit of a paradox, might be a bit of an oxymoron. It's like the opposite. We want to have proper solid best practice when it comes to risk management, and that's what we're going to focus on today. And if you like today's video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because I want to bring you these daily nuggets of making this complex area of crypto, Bitcoin, blockchain, investing, technical analysis, trade management, investment management into simple terms so you can get up to speed and maximize your chances of success. If you're wondering, who am I? I'm Jagir, the award-winning author of The Extraordinary New Venture Capital Opportunity, How to Invest Like a Pro. Risk management is one of the key topics. So let's dive straight in. Most folks are making money, and you should, right? We want to make sure you're living a great life. I believe it's one of the three core elements of health. You got physical health, you got mental health, but we need financial health. You want to take money off the table so you're not stressing about money, paying your bills, and then living the life you want to live, looking after the people around you that you want to look after, whether it's friends, family, colleagues, running your business, whatever it is. Making money is important, but you want to maximize. So let's see what Warren Buffett says, right? So this is what he says. He says, rule number one, my friends, rule number one is never lose money. Never lose money. But then he also has a rule number two. Do you know what that is? Have a guess. Rule number two, from this wise man, old school guy, but the thinking is good, which is don't forget rule number one. And what's rule number one? Never lose money. So here's my top tip. Choose your investment plan, right? So in crypto land where gravity doesn't exist, especially if you get into a younger stage project that's backed by VCs, it's got some good fundamentals, it's solving a really meaningful problem, and it's in a trending narrative. Narrative meaning, decentralized finance is a hot topic right now. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs is a hot topic right now. There's layer one, layer two solutions. What the heck is that? We've heard of Ethereum. If you haven't, I've got a previous video on it. It's the layer one blockchain, which means people are building applications on, but they have challenges, and people are solving those challenges, which is a company, which is a new crypto project. Now, when they have good upside, it's quite frequent you'll see a 50% return, right? But in crypto land, in a bull market, 200%, 300%, 500% with that particular position, that particular investment is likely, especially if you know what you're doing with a good strong entry point. You can get 1,000%, 2,000%, 50,000%. It's insane depending on when you can enter. But you want to get risk-free in a mechanical, methodical, objective, non-emotional way. And the way you do that is you have an investment plan or a trading plan. And the best rule that I've taught my students, man, is very, very simple. You just choose a multiple. So let's just say you chose 3x, meaning 300%. When you invest, let's just say you invested $1,000, and then that project does a 3x, is now worth $3,000. That's the multiple. And at that point, you exit a third, which is getting your money off the table. There you have it. That's how you do it. Rule number one, never lose money. Rule number two, don't forget rule number one. Have your exit one in your investment plan, which is, where's your exit? Is it a 2x? Take 50% off, so your money's back in your pocket. There's a 3x, a bit more aggressive, but you have more upside potential. Take a third off. You can even have it as a 5x if you know what you're doing. 5x meaning you've invested 1,000, it's grown to 5,000, and at that stage, based on different things, but you can have it just as an objective number, especially if you're just starting out, exit 1/5 or 20%, which is your original 1,000 back in your pocket. You've still got a 4,000 in the project, and you can let that run for a longer period of time to get bigger gains. So if you like today's video and today's lesson, which is a huge one, risk management, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because I want to bring these daily lessons to you to make this complex space of investing, technical analysis, risk management, crypto, Bitcoin, etc. easier. I've also, for you, to help you get up to speed faster and get the most value out of my daily lessons, created a free masterclass, free crypto masterclass, how to fund your retirement. Because the space, it is sexy. Like, it is so early, it's revolutionary technology. The teams that are getting involved, the companies that are getting involved, and the disruption that's occurring right underneath your nose. But it's hard to see because it's so young. But the investment opportunity is immense. But it does come with risk. So you want to get educated. So that crypto masterclass is to help you get up to speed much faster, so you can operate with confidence, and you feel like you know what you're doing. A lot of my students said they just don't want to feel foolish in the space because it's new jargon and there's a lot of tech heavy heads, beautiful developers and everything else, but they might not be the best at communicating at what this space really is in layman's terms. And that's what I'm trying to do for you, kind of give you these lessons in a way that you can understand, so it gives you confidence to get involved. All right, I will see you soon.